Introducing the 2020 Audi Q3 35 TDI 150 STSE, a sleek and powerful four-door estate with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. This black beauty is packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning and more. The interior boasts luxury trim, a boot light and a load cover, while the exterior shines with chrome accents, roof rails and a spoiler. With a stop and start system, anti-collision technology and self-driving capabilities, this Audi is as safe as it is stylish. Plus, it comes with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this premium ride. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information.